Hi friends, this is Prashant Manjrekar. Today we are starting with Concise Physics Standard 10 Icse Numericals of Chapter Calorimetry Part B. Now we'll start with numerical number 1. The numerical says कि 100 gram of ice at 0 absorb 5460 joule of heat energy and it is converted into water at 50 degrees Celsius. Now we'll write first the flow chart. Flow chart is very important. It says कि ice at 0 degrees Celsius is first converted into water at 0 degrees Celsius, which is further converted into water at 50 degrees Celsius. In the first part, this is the solid state. So what solid? This will be liquid state, and third is again liquid state. Now whenever there is a change in state but temperature is same, it is called as latent heat, that is Q1 is equal to ml, where m is the mass of substance and L is called specific latent heat. In the next part, there is a water at 0 to water at 50. In this case, there is a state difference. State is same, but temperature is different. So we can write here Q2 is equal to what? MC delta T. So we can write total heat Q is equal to what? ml plus MC delta T. Now Q is given, that is 5460. Mass is given as 10 grams, so no need to convert. L they want, plus this is 10 into C is over here, it is given as 4200. So I will write in gram, that is 4.2, and delta T will be 50. If you solve this comes out to be L is equal to 336 joule per gram, which is also equal to 336,000 joule per kg. Answer is same. We'll go with second numerical. Second numerical says कि how much heat energy is released when 5 gram of water at 20 changes into what? Ice at 0. Now here we'll start with water at 20 degrees Celsius is first converted into water at 0 degrees Celsius. Then it is further converted into what? Ice at 0 degrees Celsius. Here it is liquid state. This is also liquid state. And this will be what? Solid state. Now here there is a change in temperature. So this is MCW delta T. This is what? ml. So you can write here total heat Q is equal to what? MCW delta T plus ml. If you substitute the values, it comes out to be 2100 joule. It's very simple. Third numerical is little different. Third numerical says कि 150 gram of molten metal kept at its melting point at 800 degrees Celsius. When it is allowed to freeze at the same temperature, it gives out 75,000 of heat energy. So in first part, you have Q is equal to ml. Now Q is given as 75,000, M is 150, they want L. So your L is equal to 75,000 upon 150, that comes out to be 500 joule per gram. This is first part. In the second part, what they want, how much additional heat is required to change its temperature from 800 degrees Celsius to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Now here mass you have to convert into kg. 150 upon 1000, this is kg. C value is given as 200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Delta T is given as 800 minus of minus 50, which is 850 degrees Celsius. Now additional heat is Q dash. Now here, since Q dash is equal to mc delta T, mass is 150 upon 1000 into the 200 into what? 850. If you substitute this part, this comes out to be 25,500 joule. This is the heat. Now fourth sum is again a different type. Fourth sum says कि 100 a refrigerator converts 100 gram of water at 20 to ice at -10 in 73.5 minutes. So first we'll go with flow chart. This is water at 20 degrees Celsius is first converted into water at 0 degrees Celsius, which is further converted into ice at 0 degrees Celsius, and which is further converted into ice at -10 degrees Celsius. In first part, there is a change in temperature, so it is mCW delta T1. This is a change in state, therefore it is ml, and here mCI delta T2. Now over here, mass is 100 gram. No need to convert. CW is 4.2 joule per gram per Kelvin. Delta T1 is 20 degrees Celsius. L is 336 joule per gram. CI is 2.1 joule per gram per Kelvin, and delta T2 is equal to how much? It is 10 degrees Celsius. So can I write here, therefore Q is equal to mCW delta T1 plus ml plus mCI delta T2. If you substitute the values, that is 100 into 4.2 into 20 plus 100 into 336 plus 100 into 2.1 into what? 10. If you substitute this value, this comes out to be 44100 joule. Now the question is not over here. What they want? They want the power, that is rate of heat extraction. So we'll write here power is equal to, it is work upon time. Work is the heat, which is Q upon T. Now the Q comes out to be 44100 upon time is 73.5 into 60. First thing, you multiply this 44100 upon, if you multiply this comes out to be 4410. This comes out to be 10 watt is the answer. Now question number 5. Now question number 5 says कि you have 17 gram of ice is used to bring down the temperature of 40 gram of water at 34 degrees Celsius to its freezing temperature. Now we'll write here heat lost by water is equal to heat gain by ice. Now here heat lost by water, that is mW CW delta T is equal to m of ice into what? L. Now 17 gram of ice is given, that is 17 into L is question mark. Mass of how much? It is 40 gram. This is 4.2 into this change in temperature is 34. So if this is 17 ones are 2s are, if you calculate this part, it comes out to be 336 joule per gram. Now question number 6, 7 and 8, they are very difficult, very difficult. We'll start.